Yeah, man.
Hello, my name is Mikel Marvin Samuels. Watch me cook banana chips. You're gonna need cooking oil, green bananas, salt. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Get a chopping board ready. I am using this chopping mat. Rub 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in your hands. This prevents green banana staining on your hands. Rub it between your fingers and all over your hands. Buy Cookbook, Jamaican food recipes. It's an 8x10 book with 511 pages. Today I am using 10 green bananas. You can call these small bananas. Put piece newspaper nearby, put the trash on it. When I am frying banana chips myself, I sliced it on a waste piece of plastic. Peel bananas. To peel the banana, score alongside the banana 1/16 of an inch deep. The banana skin is 1/16 of an inch thick. Juke the tip of the knife in the green banana 1/16 of an inch deep. Start at the top. Cut alongside the green banana from top to bottom, and then cut the top and the bottom almost off. Use your 2 hands. Peel banana. If you're unsure, follow me. Do this. Hold the banana firm with 1 hand and then use your fingers to get beneath the banana's skin to remove it. If I am not clear and you are unsure, follow me. Do this. When you use newspaper at the end, wrap the waste and then throw it out. Put peeled green banana on a chopping board. Use 1 hand to hold it and then the other to slice it. Use a sharp knife. Slice it thin. Slice it 1/8 of an inch thick. Slice it sideways. Follow me. Do this. Chop thin banana slices. It should be as thin as this, 1/8 of an inch thick. Cut it horizontally. Slice the green banana 1 inch to 1.5 inches to 2 inches long. Slice it alongside the banana. Slice it from the side. Do not chop banana wheels. Drizzle or rub some cooking oil on it. This prevents them from sticking together. It works. If you add some oil on the banana chips just before frying it, this will prevent the banana chip slices sticking together, meaning the banana chip slices sticking on each other or sticking on the pot's bottom. Rub some cooking oil all over the banana slices. Sliced green bananas. Go to the next step. Next, put a medium-sized saucepan to heat. If inside of the saucepan is wet, use a paper towel, dry it. Put the stove's gauge on 4 medium-low. Add cooking oil. Add cooking oil a quarter between 1/3 full. It should be this high, a quarter between 1/3 full. Put the stove's gauge on 4 medium-low. Use a thermostat. Put thermostat in the cooking oil. If you don't have a thermostat, this is 4 on my stove. Allow it to get hot 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the oil to get hot 5 minutes or wait until you can see some smoke coming from the oil. 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is ready. No. Add sliced green bananas in the heating oil. You see why it's important to pour the oil in the saucepan a quarter between 1/3 full? Now use a cooking spoon or a cooking fork. Stir it gently. After 2 between 3 minutes, stir it. Use a cooking spoon or a fork, stir it. This will prevent the banana slices sticking together. After 2 between 3 minutes more, a total of 4 between 6 minutes, use a cooking spoon, stir it. From now on, stir frying banana chips every 2 minutes. After 2 minutes more, use a cooking spoon, stir it. After 2 minutes more, stir it. After 2 minutes more, stir fry it for a while at the end. Keep your eyes on it. It's almost finished. There's this thin line between perfect banana chips and burning it. Keep your eyes on it. It is important that you allow it to fry golden brown, or else after it's cooled, the banana chip is gonna be soft, and you don't want that. There's this thin line between golden brown and burning it, so you have to get it at the right time. If you allow it to fry any much longer, it's gonna burn, and if you allow it to fry any less time, it might be too soft. So you gotta watch it and finished at the right time when it's golden brown. If you allow it to stay like a minute longer, it might start to burn, and you don't want that. Not only that, but if you allow it to fry at the right time, it stores better. Allow banana chips to fry golden brown like this. Banana chips took 21 minutes on medium to low heat to fry. After time, turn off the heat. Use a cooking spoon. Remove the banana chips. Sprinkle salt on the banana chips. Rub salt all over the banana chips to bring out the flavor. This is banana chips. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Buy my cookbook. This recipe is in Cookbook, Jamaican food recipes. Banana chips. Subscribe, like, and share. You should try frying banana chips yourself. You will enjoy it. To keep banana chips fresh after cooling, put it in a Ziploc or use a clean, clear plastic bag like this and then seal it. If you do this, you can keep these banana chips for 2 weeks or longer. Eat banana chips alone, or you could eat it with cheese, or you could dip it in some kind of dipping sauce. But for the most part, people just eat banana chips alone. Banana chips is a nice snack you can eat anytime. Banana chips is carbohydrates. Therefore, banana chips is an energy food. Until next time, me gone.